Welcome. In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM card into this device. So, to get started, you'll want to grab one of these, a SIM ejector, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, as long as it doesn't have that plastic wrapping, if it does, you can just peel it off. So once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located, I'm going to be honest, somewhere on this device, but let's see. Come on, come off. Please don't break. Oh, there we go. And it looks like it's at the bottom. So you can see we have a cutout right here. So grab your tool, find the insert area, and just push it in. You can see that the tray pops out, enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray we have space for just a single SIM card. As the bottom tray, as you can see, has this kind of SIM with X on it, so you can place anything here. So grab your card, clip it in place, chip side upwards like this. It should be clipped in correctly. It should be laying completely flush on the tray, and if you flip it upside down, this card should stay in the tray. If it's falling out, then it wasn't in there correctly. And from there, just insert it back into your device, which, give it a second, there we go, it automatically starts working. So all we need to do is just confirm our SIM card pin, and we're good to go. There we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.